Hi everyone. I've tried to film this video like 100 times now, and it's just not working out. So it's changed a couple times. It was gonna be an unboxing, but um, that's not happening because I've already unboxed it like 100 times. So it's just out of the packaging. I tried to film it and I totally cut off like what I was like trying to show you, and I was like, I can't post this because it's really bad. It's not even like postable bad. So I'll just get right into it. Originally, I forgot that I ordered a Coach bag, and I knew I said I wasn't going to do another Coach bag, but I'm doing another Coach bag because it was going to be an unboxing, yada yada yada. Anyways, I'll just show you it. It's already been unboxed, but I did get this today, and I already took it out um, to go to the store and stuff. So I got this, guys, the fold-over tote. This was on the Coach Reserve on the Coach Outlet website. Here it is. So it is like the tote, and then there's two magnetics right here. There is this pocket. I have my wallet in there. My Bottega wallet. Super cute. So, and then it has two magnetic closures right here, clasps. Then it's just a big open space right here. The interior is like that microfiber suede-esque fabric. And then the outside is like a smooth calfskin leather, I believe. And then it's like a chain and then a leather strap. It's really cute because they have like a little C detailing there. It's the typical pretty sturdy brass-esque hardware that Coach does. The strap is also pretty long as well. Like I am 6'1", and I'm only on the like fourth, so I'm like pretty much in the middle as far as like the hook stuff goes. And like putting it on, it's like down at my hip almost. I don't know if you can see. It does have the little hang tag right there, but like if you're a lot shorter, like the strap is going to be very long, just so you know. And then they are removable, which I love. I'm not like the biggest fan of bags where you can't remove the strap, but it is removable, so you could almost just do like, if you were just wanting to do the tote, you could totally just do that. I am a little, maybe a little concerned about how much this is going to crease the leather when it just is constantly, because for me it's probably mostly going to be folded down like this as like the crossbody. So I'm just gonna wonder like what kind of wear and tear is gonna be on the seams. Now, I only paid like $100 for this or something like that. So I mean, it wasn't um, like outrageously expensive. I want to say the retail was like $295 or $275. But I did get it on the reserve for like the sale price or whatever. But overall, I think, this is really cute. It fits really nicely. It's not too heavy. Um, I haven't really like filled this like to the brim with stuff. I just had like my phone, my wallet, and my keys in here, and it closed fine. I'm not sure how well it'll close if you have it like filled to the brim with stuff, just because of the magnetic clasp right here, if it's not able to reach, or like how that looks. But I can definitely let you guys know if I ever do fill it up, like that full, if it actually does close. Um, so I want to show you another bag because I feel like I've just been doing Coach. I want to do something maybe a little bit different. So I got this one right here. I can't remember the name. I apologize, but it is by All Saints. It currently still is on their website, at least the bag style. I don't know about the color. I'm pretty sure the color should still be as well. But originally, I saw can't remember her name, but she's a YouTuber, and she bought this like Celine tote, and I absolutely loved it. Like, um, just from her video and pictures and stuff, I absolutely loved it. It was also like a grand, if not more, and I just wasn't wanting to spend that, obviously. So this to me was a good kind of like alternative that I found. I absolutely love the color. I love green everything, and green bags especially. It is like that thinner leather kind of almost slouchy. I have it filled right now stuff. But this one does come with like the little clutch pouch on the inside that you can remove, which I thought was super cool, and it has like this carabiner attached to it with like the All Saints logo on it, and it's pretty much just a big open space. It's kind of hard to, since it is so floppy, kind of hard to see, but it's kind of just like a massive space you can fill a ton of stuff in. It only has, as far as like the closure and stuff goes, it's just like this buckle right here. Like that's the only thing that's gonna keep all your stuff in. So if you're wanting it to be like super secure, this is not it. um, I don't. I only carry this one if I'm carrying like a lot of bigger stuff. So I'm not really worried about, things falling out. Like my wallet or whatnot is going to be in a pretty. It'll probably be in the pouch and stuff that's like attached to the bag. So I'm not really worried about that flying out or anything. But I do love that it has like the smaller strap right here, and then it has like the larger shoulder one as well. And I just